Hello everyone, this is Brad Reed with Real Life Trading. I'm here reminding you to be good, and by good I mean get out of debt, achieve your financial dreams, and give generously to your community. What's going on everyone? Hey, on January 22nd to 26th we have a free week of the trading room. If you are currently a subscriber, you must sign up, okay? So you should have gotten an email a while back that looks something like this, but there'll be links in here. If you click on the link, it takes you to webinar registration. So if you subscribe to the day trading room, come in here, put your information. My name is Brad Reed, Brad at reallifetrading.com, Brad at reallifetrading.com. I am not a robot, and now I am registered. I'm also part of the afternoon floor, so I have to click on this link as well. Come through, type in your information. Brad at reallifetrading.com, Brad at reallifetrading.com. Ooh, got to have the capitalization, even though capitalization doesn't matter. I'm not a robot. There we go. Cool. Now, the second part of this is if anyone wants $150 or more, come over here to Real Life Trading, go to this account and log in to your account. This is my information, of course. Over here, there's a link that says invite a friend, right over here on the left. So if you're watching, go all the way to the left and up to the top. It says invite a friend. Type in the emails of your friends and loved ones that you think would enjoy the trading floor. Now, this link is up all year long, but this is the perfect time to invite people because they get to have a free week. So they get to try it out. Great time. There will be lots of people signing up after the free week. So yeah, now's the best time to put in your friends' email addresses. And if they do sign up, you will get $150 per friend, right? So if one friend signs up, $150. If 10 people sign up that you referred, $1,500 coming your way. So thanks for watching this video. With any questions, come check out the website, reallifetrading.com, or send me an email, brad at reallifetrading.com. And until I get to trade with you again, trade on logic, not on hope. Have a good one, everybody.